Hi everyone, this is Catherine from Biophilic Wales with the start of the show, my wildflowers here. I just want to say a huge big thank you to everybody that's got involved with growing together and made it such a success. It's been an absolute pleasure to look at all your, and the dogs here as well, to look at all your photos that you've shared with us on Facebook and emails. And especially rewarding to hear about people that haven't really gardened before and they've got a lot of enjoyment out of the flowers. So the second questionnaire is out there available for you to fill in, so please take the time to just fill in the second one. It's not as long as the first one, so easy peasy to do. And also your plants should just be getting to the stage now where you're ready to collect the seeds. So Elliot's done a fantastic video to show you just how easy it is. You can keep these seeds for your own use and plant them next year, or if you want you can send them back to us and we'll plant everyone. Will go out onto NHS sites in the Swansea Bay area. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed growing together, and yes, please fill in the questionnaire, and if you want to send plants back to us then follow the link and we'll send you an envelope out, and yeah, thank you very much.